In the past couple of months, these short, relaxing videos have gone completely viral and attracting tens of millions of views. As a result, they are able to generate passive income through shoutouts and promotions on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And the best part is, you can create these videos by utilizing free AI tools. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'll show you the secret to go viral by creating these relaxing videos using AI automation and start growing your own faceless channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up prompts. As you can see, these videos start with an engaging still motion clip, asking captivating POV questions such as, where are you isolating with your partner for a month? Or, which bedroom are you choosing? Followed by some gorgeous AI-generated images. And yes, you can create these types of images by using an AI image generator. But first, we need to set up some premium prompts for the AI image generator in ChatGPT. First, we will create captivating POV questions for our videos. To do this, simply input the following prompt. What I do is, I ask ChatGPT to write me 5 POV questions about locations and relationships. The reason I choose locations and relationships is because they have been proven to work really well when it comes to getting viewers' attention. Let's continue. Then, I want these questions to be following exactly these 2 examples. Which bedroom are you choosing? Or, where are you isolating with your partner for a month? Lastly, make sure the questions are engaging and simple to understand. Now, hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to come up with some questions. Awesome! I really like the first one. Which cafe holds the fondest memories of your first dates? Quite reminds me of some good memories. If you want more questions, use this prompt. Give me 5 more. Don't repeat the previous ones. There you have it. Just repeat the process till you're satisfied. Also, I will leave all the prompts and later materials in the description. Feel free to use and modify to your liking. Now that we have the first question for our first video, we will use another special prompt for ChatGPT to create some prompts for the AI image generator. Let's go! I already opened a new chat. This is the prompt we will use. Let me explain what this prompt means. First, I ask ChatGPT to fill in 2 blanks in a something prompt. The 2 blanks are mood or ambience and interior design style. And for this blank prompt, you can specifically fill in whichever your question is about. For example, bedroom, mountain, sea, hotel, the list goes on. But in our case, we will fill in this spot with the word cafe. Let me illustrate. Alright then, hit enter and ChatGPT will generate 5 prompts for us to use in the AI image generator. Perfect! Now that we have all the prompts we need, let's move on to step 2, generating images. Let's go! For this part, I will use Leonardo.ai. This is a free AI image generator. Here, you have a wide range of options and models to choose when it comes to generating images. Plus, you are given 150 credits each day to freely create amazing images from your imagination. Next, in the dashboard, I will choose the first option, image generation. Now we need to copy the prompts that we already created in ChatGPT and paste it here. But before you hit generate, look to the left side panel. There, you can choose the number of images to generate. 2 is good for me. Then make sure you change the image dimension to 9:16 ratio. Hit generate. There you go, 2 beautiful AI images. Now, do the same for the other 4 prompts. I'll speed up the process a little bit. I hope you enjoy this video so far. Leave a comment below as I'd love to hear about your results. Here comes the last one. Awesome! 5 sets of beautiful AI-generated cafe images. Pick the ones you like in each set, then move on to step 3. Step 3. Editing videos. We will continue to use CapCut because it's free, easy to use, and have many powerful features. But before going to CapCut, we need to find one last material for our video. Remember the engaging clips at the start of those videos? Yes, we need them. Let me show you how to find those types of videos for free. Now, let's head to Pixabay. Pixabay is a great source for finding beautiful royalty-free images and videos. First, change the search to videos. And because our current topic is about relationships, couples, mood, and cafe, I'll simply input those keywords and see if there's any videos fitting our criteria. A small tip for you guys, focus on finding footage with dark color, moody feeling like rainy weather, or thoughtful scenarios. This one looks nice. There's not much movement in the footage, but you can sense love and emotions there. I'll find some more. Take your time, everyone. Feel free to play around and find some videos that suit your taste. Once you're done choosing suitable footage, open CapCut. I've already imported all the footage and images that we created. Now, drag everything to the timeline following your own orders of images. Make sure the aspect ratio is 9:16, which is for short-form video resolution. Okay, if you have horizontal or long-form footage like I have right here, here is a small trick to make it look much better. You need to duplicate the footage by pressing Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V if you're a Windows user, or Command+C, then Command+V if you're a Mac user. Now you have two clips of the same footage. Make sure you arrange the layers in a correct order. Now, I will scale up the bottom clip, adjust the position a bit, then go to the Effect tab on the left, find the blur effect. I've already added this effect to favorites. Then, apply the effect to the clip. Nice. Looking much better now. Next, we will add the POV question. Just copy and paste the question you've already generated in ChatGPT. I will then change the font to Montserrat. Adjust the text size a bit, and also make sure our text fit the screen. Make it 2 lines if you have to. And change the preset style to yellow. Now we will adjust duration of the footage as well as text and images. For the first clip, I'll keep it around 5 to 6 seconds long, and for each image, 2 to 3 seconds would be enough. I will also add some text counts for each image, from number 1 to number 5. Awesome. Now comes a very important part. If you want to go viral with these types of videos, you need to focus on keywords, music, and sounds. These are the 2 pieces of music you should consider using in your relaxing video if you want to go viral, because they were used in almost every viral one. However, I will show you the final result of the video by using another free royalty sound, as I can't play those 2 music in this video. Now, let me import the music first. Perfect. Everything is done. Let's see the final result. Fantastic. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope to see you in my next videos. Cheerio.